If you are thinking of making the best PINKASO recipe, then this recipe is best for you because it's very easy to follow and it turned out so delicious as well. Hello everyone, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today, as I said, I'm sharing with you this easy Ghanaian street snack. This is PINKASO, one of Ghanaian's popular street snack from the Hausa community. You'll love this. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To a clean bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. You can also use plain flour if that is what you want, alright? Next, I'll also go in with some yeast. I'm using 1 tablespoon of yeast. Moving forward, I'll go in with just a pinch of salt and also water to mix this. Remember to go in with the water little by little until you achieve the perfect consistency that you're looking for. So now let's mix everything together until we achieve the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Mega favela zamena mu na dena hokwela sio na mlo devielo toboli mega favela zamena. Alright, so this is the perfect consistency that I'll be looking for. It shouldn't be very stiff and it shouldn't be very soft as well. So that's just perfect. So moving forward, I'm going to be prepping some green bell pepper and I'm going to grind this until it's nice and very smooth. You can also use Scotch bonnet pepper or any other pepper that you think is best for you, alright? This is just perfect for the recipe as well. So after cutting everything, I'll transfer the pepper into my asanka and I'm going to blend until it's nice and very smooth. You can also use the blender if that is what you want. So now let's blend this until it's nice and very smooth. Mega favela zamena mu na dena hokwela sio na mlo devielo toboli mega favela zamena mu devielo toboli. Alright, so now the pepper is nice and very smooth, so I'm going to transfer it into my dough and I'm going to mix everything well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Remember as well to mix this very well. The pepper is not going to give only heat to the PINKASO, but rather it's going to add extra taste as well. So kindly try it and thank me later. Whilst everything is nice and well incorporated, I will cover it. Make sure to cover it very well because we're going to allow this to rest for about 30 to 40 minutes and it should be okay. So whilst we rest in the dough, let's go ahead and prep some scallions. If you don't have scallions or spring onions, you can use normal onions for this recipe and it works perfectly fine. So whilst we are done with the prepping of the scallions, the dough is also ready. So I'm going to stir the dough very well to reduce the air in it, and afterwards I'll go in with my scallions. And when the scallions goes in like this, that means all is set and done. All you have to do is to mix everything well until all the scallions are well incorporated with the other ingredients. And as you can see, it looks all stretchy and just perfect. So now all that is left is for us to heat up some cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil for this recipe. I'm using vegetable cooking oil, and afterwards I will allow the oil to really heat up very well before I will start to drop in my PINKASO. And PINKASO when dropping is a little bit complicated, so you just have to practice it more so that you can be perfect on this. Okay, so you just have to slowly create some hole in the dough, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And when the hole is beginning to open up, you drop it in the oil just like that. Very easy, and with more practice you're going to be perfect on it. All right, so now let's drop everything and let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you haven't give this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to see this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the PINKASO on low medium heat for about 10 minutes, this is how it turned out. It looks all golden and very crispy. So now let's remove this from the oil and repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Fam, let me also know in the comment section what you think about this PINKASO recipe. With few ingredients, you are going to achieve this deliciousness. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.